So now we are going to see the next point, that is design of flocculators. So before going into this details of this design of flocculators, I think it is better to write down the points whatever learned in the previous lecture, previously, okay, previous slides. So take your notebook and write, go on writing these points in your notebook. From this coagulation and flocculation, I think this point we have written. Write on the title there, coagulants. Write on the title, coagulants. In that, write down this name, just name write down: aluminum sulfate, sodium aluminate, polyaluminum chloride, ferric sulfate. I think it is over. Next, advantages of aluminum, disadvantages of alum, not aluminum. Advantages of alum or aluminum sulfate. Next point, write down comparison of alum and iron salts. Next, factors affecting coagulation. Write down the factors: water temperature, type and quantity of suspended matter. Next, pH and alkalinity. Quantity or dose of coagulant. Quantity or dose of coagulant. Next point, natural coagulants. Natural coagulants. Write down these names: Moringa oleifera, prickly pear cactus, then Strychnos potatorium, Strychnos potatorum, Nirmali seeds. Next, title here, constituents of coagulation sedimentation plant, and write down these 4 points: feeding devices, rapid mixing devices or mixing basins, flocculation tank or flocculator, And last one, settling or sedimentation tank. I think it is over. Next, write on the title, design of flocculator. Design of flocculator. Draw this diagram in your notebook, which is important one. One is the sectional view and second one is the plan or top view. See here, in this diagram, you are seeing the dimensions of the flocculation tank. जो फ्लॉक्युलेटर आपण पाहिलेला आहे वरती, फ्लॉक्युलेटरचं टँकचे डायमेन्शन्स आणि फ्लॉक्युलेटर, these are the pedals. Okay, this is the shaft. आणि shaft वरती हे pedals बसवलेले आहेत, right? This is the length of the tank L, this is the depth of the tank H, and this is the width of a tank W. Okay, then this is the pedal width. The pedal blade is there, this one, and then spacing between this blade and the wall is 0.4. 0.4 here kept. These are some standard dimensions are there. What are the different parameters of this this design of this calculator? So let us write it down. The design parameters of calculator units are mixing time, then volume of calculator V, velocity gradient Z. Have you written this one? Shall I take the next PPT?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So let us see what is velocity gradient. Write down there in your notebook. Velocity gradient capital Z. So this velocity gradient is nothing but, it is defined as the difference in velocities of two particles divided by the distance between their path. दोन particle आहेत, suppose this is one particle and this is another particle. This particle is having velocity VA and this is having velocity VB. This particle is moving with some velocity which is different than this velocity. Okay, ह्या दोन velocities are difference. Is nothing but it is the relative velocity. त्याला आपण VR म्हणूया. Okay, relative velocity. What is the relative velocity? Suppose one train is moving with 100 meter per second या speed ने move होते, and there is another train here which is moving in the same direction with a speed of 60 meter per second. Then what will be the relative speed? It will be 100 minus 60. म्हणजेच काय, या ट्रेन मध्ये बसलेले पॅसेंजर आहेत, they will feel that this train which is going adjacent to them, it is moving with a velocity of this 100 minus 60 equal to 40. They will feel that this train is moving with a 40 meter per second velocity, but actually it is moving with 100 meter per second. So this velocity is called as the relative velocity. Similarly, if the same train is moving in the opposite direction, then at that time, the people present in this train or in this train, they may feel that the opposite train is moving with velocity 100 plus 60 equal to 160 meter per second. So they will feel, people will feel that the train is moving with this much speed. But actually the speed of the trains are different. It is moving with 100 meters per second and it is moving with 60 meters per second. So these velocities are called as the relative velocities. So here also, whatever the difference we are considering, that is nothing but it is relative velocity. So the relative velocity divided by the distance between these two particles is called as the velocity gradient. Okay, the difference in velocity of the two particles divided by distance between their path. It is measure of relative velocity of two fluid particles at a distance. हे कशाचं measure आहे? It is a measure of relative velocity of the two particles. So mathematically it can be written as G is equal to mod of VB minus VA divided by L per second. What is its unit? Its unit is per second. How it has come? The unit of velocity is meter per second, and here the length unit is meter. So this meter will get cancelled, and you will get the unit as per second, 1 by second, or you can write this as a second raised to minus 1. Okay. So again, we can write this Z as under root of capital P divided by V into mu. Or if you want to remove this square bracket, square root, it can be written as P upon V mu raised to 1 half. Okay. Yes, so what are the different terms? So G is nothing but it is the velocity gradient. General value of this velocity gradient ranges between 10 to the 75 per second. Okay. Then P is nothing but it is input power which is available in which is measured in watt. Then V is nothing but it is the volume of water in the flocculator. So the tank आहे त्याचं जे volume आहे, so that is nothing but it is volume of water in the flocculator. Then mu is the dynamic viscosity in Newton second per meter square, and G is nothing but it is acceleration due to gravity, having value 9.81 meter per second square. Okay, so write down these things. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Write down next here the velocity of paddle tip. The velocity of paddle tip is given as Vp equal to pi into d into omega. where d is equal to paddle diameter, omega is equal to angular speed in revolution per minute. If ratio of fluid velocity to the paddle velocity is indicated by k, then k is equal to Vw, that is fluid velocity, to the pedal velocity Vp. Again, we have Vr is equal to Vp minus Vw. Here, write this formula. Then directly you can write this one formula and then this formula. Vr is equal to Vp in bracket 1 minus k. Hi clear and half. Vr is equal to Vp minus in bracket 1 minus k. For the design of calculator, the value of k means the ratio of velocity of fluid to the velocity of paddle, can be taken as 0.25. So if I put that k value equal to 0.25 in this equation, then I can get here Vr is equal to 0.75 Vp. So what is Vr? Vr is the relative velocity, you can say, between paddle velocity and fluid velocity. So that velocity is equal to 0.75 times the pedal velocity Vp. Is it over?
Yes, sir.
Here, one more important factor for the design of calculator is Zt, Z dot T. It is the product of Z and T. Z is nothing but it is velocity gradient, and T is nothing but it is time, displacement time. So write on there, Zt is equal to V upon Q in bracket P upon mu into V. Now here, if I take this V inside this bracket, it will become 1 upon Q here, P into V square divided by mu into V. Okay, हे आतमध्ये आल्यानंतर त्याचा स्क्वेअर होईल. So this V will get cancelled here, and I will get here under root of P into V divided by Q. हे आतमध्ये mu एक आहे, this mu. So under root of P into V divided by mu, total divided by capital Q. In this equation, PV upon mu is termed as power induced flow. It is termed as power induced flow. And Q is known as displacement flow. This is power induced flow, and this is displacement flow. So it is also having the unit of flow only. This is again unit of flow. So the same unit we will get cancelled. And what about this? This is per second. This is second. It will get cancelled. So this value is dimensionless. Okay, so the non-dimensional equation. Zt is equal to under root of PV divided by mu into mu divided by Q. So Q is known as displacement flow. Is it over?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Next, write on the title, criteria for design of calculator. For the design of calculator, we should remember these different criteria. So write down this all criteria one by one. Design of tank is equal, depth of tank is equal to 3 to 4.5 meter up to 5 meter. Detention time is equal to 10 to 40 minutes. Common value is 30 minutes. Then velocity of flow is equal to 0.2 to 0.8 meter per second. Common value is 0.84 meter per second. Total area of the paddles is equal to 10% to 25% of the cross section area. Peripheral velocity of blades is equal to, it should be less than 1 meter per second in the range of 0.2 to 0.6 meter per second. Velocity gradient v is equal to 10 per second to 75 per second. Then zt factor, it should be equal to 10 to the power 4 to 10 to the power 5. Power consumption is equal to 10 to 36 kilowatt per MLD, that is million liters per day, unit of discharge. So 10 to 36 kilowatt per MLD. Next design criteria, outlet flow velocity zero point 0.15 to 0.25 meter per second. Then PD is equal to 1.8 for flat blade. Distance between paddle edge and side of the basin 15 to 40 centimeter. जे आपण डायग्राम मध्ये मगाशी पाहिलं होतं ते. So K is equal to 0.25. What is K? Here we have seen what is K. K is nothing but it is the ratio of fluid velocity to the blade velocity, 0.25. Relative velocity is 75% of the pedal velocity, that is VR is equal to 0.75% of the VP. So that also we have seen there. VR is equal to 0.75. Area of paddles. Area of paddles is equal to length of blades into width into number of blades in that compartment. That is area of paddles AP is equal to length, breadth, and width and number of blades. LB, length of blades. Then W, width, N, number of blades. Okay. Distance between two paddles in the same compartment. In plan, it is about 1 meter. So that distance here, so between these two, it should be 1 meter. So these are the different design criteria for the calculator. So less than 1 minute is remained. This session may end at any time. You have